Hello everyone, welcome back. In previous video, we covered addition and subtraction. Now we'll see multiplication. Basically, multiplication means multiple times addition. For example, 3 into 4 means we are adding 3 4 times. 3 into 4 means 3 is 4 times. Adding 3 4 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 4 times. So this is called multiplication. Adding same number multiple times is called a multiplication. 3 into 4 means adding 3 4 times, or 4 into 3 means adding 4 3 times. Both gives the same answer. Let's see, 3 plus 3 how much? 6. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 3 12. So 3 into 4 is 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 into 3 4 times 3. So 3 times 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 4 12. So 3 into 4 or 4 into 3 both give same answer. Anything like 98 into 9 or 9 into 98 both are equal. Both gives same value. Now comes like multiplying numbers with sign. There are 4 type sign convention will come, like plus into plus, plus into minus, minus into plus, minus into minus. Simple trick I will tell. Plus into plus will be plus, plus into minus minus, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. Where are same signs are there? Same sign is here, right? Plus plus, minus minus. There comes plus sign. Where different sign multiplication will give negative. Means same sign multiplication will be plus, different sign will give negative. Let us see some examples. 4 into 3. Just now we done 4 3 is a 12, because plus number both gives plus only, so plus 12 is the answer. Minus 4 into minus 3. 4 3 is a 12. Minus into minus plus, it is also giving plus 12 as the answer. 4 into minus 3. 4 3 is a 12, but plus into minus minus. Minus 4 into 3. 4 3 is a 12. Minus into plus minus. Like this, the multiplying of sign numbers will give us the answer. Let us see some examples here. Some practice questions. 5 into 3 how much? 5 3 is a 15. Plus into plus, plus only. Here minus 4 into 6. 4 6 how much? 24, right? But minus into plus minus, minus 24 is the answer. 8 2 is a 16. Plus into minus minus. 7 5 is a 35. Minus into minus plus. 10 4 is a 40. Minus into plus minus. 12 3 is a 36. Minus into plus minus. 8 5 is a 40, but minus into minus plus. Now we done only single digit answers, right? What if we have 4 5 6 into 2 8 9, 3 3 digits, 4 4 digits, 5 5 digits, any type, like 3 digits into 2 digits, 5 digits into 8 digits. If you know single digit multiplication, no, that's fine. We can do any type of multiplication. But my suggestion is, please try to know the table from 2 to 9. Only from 2 to 9. If you are perfect with 2 to 9 table, then you know all operations of mathematics, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, anything. For that you should know 2 to 9 table. This is minimum requirement. Okay, let us do this multiplication of 3 digits. Do this individual only. 9 6 are 54, right? We'll give carriers here. 9 5 are 45. 45 plus 5 50. 5 as carry. 9 4 are 36. 36 plus 5 41. We have to put a plus sign below the one digit. Now we'll do 8. 8 6 are 48. Carry 4. 8 5 are 40. 40 plus carry 4 44, and 4 is carry. 8 4 are 32. 32 plus 4 36. Now we are completed two digits, right? So put 2 plus signs. Now we have to do with 2. 2 6 are 12. Carry 1. 2 5 are 10. 10 plus 1 11. 1 here, 1 carry. 2 4 are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 4 as it is. 8 plus 0 8. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 6 10. 10 plus 1 11. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 3 13. This is the answer for 456 into 289. We can do any other. 12 into 9. We know 12 9s are 108, right? We'll check whether 108 is correct or not. 9 2s are 18. 1 carry. 18 means unit digit will be here. This carry will go to there. 9 1s are 9 plus 1 10. So answer is 108. It is matching with 108. So like this we can do multiplication. Here I will give some homework. Please try to do and put in comment section. 287 into minus 30. 37 into 1000. 57 into 75. Please solve this and answer in comment section. We'll continue in next video division. Thank you.